Hi everyone and welcome back, and if you're new here, hi, welcome, join the enthusiasm, subscribe. So today I am going to create this look. I don't know you can see from that far or not, but it's like very yellow eyes and nude mauvey lips kind of a look. Obviously I can't talk about my hair a lot. Just curled it, I just tied it, it's damn frizzy, I just sprayed it, and yes, we're ready to roll.
Obviously, I can't talk about my hair a lot.
So yes, now this tutorial is going to be mad and fun and all that stuff. Yes, that is what I aimed for today. Like I didn't aim anything, alright, and you'll know it once I complete this intro. I didn't aim anything, but I knew that it has to be yellow and it has to be wearable. That's why I did it like very wearable, and then the lips are very mauvey. I love like mauvey lips. And I'm so sorry that I didn't upload last week. So I did create a video, but it was very dull, I feel. So let's come to today's video. It's going to be very random, like random. Basically, it all lies in the content. So if content is good, if you've really put some effort into it, then just upload it. If not, just skip it. By now you know that this is going to be a very chatty video. Yes, I will chat a little bit, but as the video moves like ahead, my chat just drowns into the makeup. I'll just stop like chatting and I'll just focus on the makeup. Now without any further chatting, let's snap right into the video. So for the first step, I am just taking two concealers. We are going to start with the eyes because I think it's going to be like all colors, so I think we should do the eyes first. Okay, I'll leave it till there. And next I'm just taking my LA Girl concealer and I am going to mix it with this one. Now I am taking my PAC 218 brush and I'm just going to blend this. So my light just fused, you guys. So now we are left with this gray kind of a background. I don't think yellow is going to work with this one. What should I do now? So first of all, I am just going to grab a palette that has some neutral shades, because obviously I am going to do like neutral, cut crease, yellow. I am not very sure. So first of all, I am going to go with this shade from this Makeup Revolution Egg. I actually still don't know the real name of this thing. I just call it the Makeup Revolution Egg. And if you want to know the precise name, please check the description box below. Alright, so if you guys can see my piercing, I don't know whether you can or not, but it's infected. So what happened was I got pierced with a gun. In the beginning when I was like pierced, it was really fine. I didn't feel anything while getting my ears pierced. So I got it pierced over here and you can see it's bad right now. It was not like a very like painful thing, but what happened in the monsoon was it just got really bad and I was like, okay, now let's remove the stud with which I got pierced and wear a new one, like a beautiful one. So I was like about to wear a hoop which had like this kind of a thing that has to go inside the ear. The pain was horrible when I was trying to insert it, but when I removed the stud and then I touched, it was like swollen as a potato. So it was like that swollen, like very swollen. I'm just a fool.
Took you long enough.
I still wanted to wear that hoop thing. So I just inserted it and it got all bloody and got all infected, and then I inserted a neem stick because that's the Indian remedy for an infected piercing. So either you can insert a thread or you can insert a neem stick. So I can't just stand the thread because, you know, something like getting tied, like what the heck, like you're walking with a thread in your ear. That's like very not something that I would like. And so that's why I inserted this neem stick. So that was the best I can do with the piercing. It's still infected, you can see, like I don't know when is this going to be okay, but the pain is gone. And yes, so that's what I want to say about piercing. I was actually thinking of getting like double helix pierced after this one, but then this one went wrong. So first I have to like heal this one and I think I am going to wait at least for 6 months. So I'm just taking this shade from here on this brush, and let's apply this in the like very crease. So right now I'm just cutting my crease. Oh, I have to do this eye too. So I am going to continue on this side. Like always. So next I'm just taking this Tamient Revolution Tropical Carnival palette, and I'm just going to take the yellow shade from here on my finger, alright? And I'm just like, I don't need a brush for that because it's such a beautiful yellow and the brush will never do justice to this thing. And if you're thinking that with my finger it's going to be like very what do you call it, like not very precise, then I just cut that crease just because I want the yellow to pop. I don't want to create like a boundary, I just want a yellow to pop, so that's why I did cut the crease. So I'm just taking the shade and I'm just tapping off the excess, all the excess. And right now I'm just like, so right now my eyes look like really beautiful and my outfit's like eh. And next I'm just taking this brush and just blending the black. Okay, so let's try this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte in the shade. I think I got the wrong shade for this one. Like whichever shades I order online, they are wrong. Not completely, but I feel that they are wrong. I just don't know. I just feel that they are wrong. So this one is in the shade, I don't know. That's not the shade name. I just don't know. You'd have to check in the description. I like the finish and all, but come on, you have to be full coverage to impress me. Now let's take a little bit of concealer and just apply it. Let's set that quickly, and for setting I am going to use a setting powder. So let's do the inner corners now, and for that I am just going to take this shade from here from the Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette. Wow, that looks so good. So I think I just need a bit
just a bit more. Contour is looking like too red today.
I'm just going to use the same brown that I applied in my crease. So I'm just going to do the wing. I don't do it on camera because I'm just not comfortable doing it on the camera, in the sense that I slouch when I apply my eyeliner, so it's not like pretty, like a pretty thing to watch. So just because of that, I think I'm going to do my eyeliner off camera, but believe me guys, it's just a simple wing. So I'm just taking some bronzer. No way. I don't know why it just happens when I apply makeup. I don't know. Like, my body is conspiring against me. I just don't know. I don't want the blush to like be very overpowering because, you know, I think the eyes look good. So I'm just going to use this shade. Wow. Let's do it. I mean, let's take the risk. We should take some risks. Oh my god, that is so good. That is so good. He's sliding it on my face. It's so red, you guys. I just want to take it to my nose. Let's do the highlight, and for highlighting, I'm just going to use this shade. I think it's going to look good. for the final step, I'm going to do my lips. So first of all, I am going to line my lips using this lip liner, which is the Wet n Wild Color Icon lip liner in the shade Plumberry. And let's line the lips first. I am going to apply lipstick. So this is the Color Sensational by Maybelline in the shade Lively Violet. Very nude and I like it. I am actually not quite like a fan for like this kind of a finish for this look. So as you know, I am going to mix and match. So I'm just mixing the shade Girlfriend. Like this shade is so damn good from Huda Beauty. You make them So now let's not waste your time anymore, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, give it a thumbs down. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Please hit the notification bell because I don't want you guys to miss any videos, especially my subscribers. So I just don't want you to miss any videos, so please hit the notification bell because from now onwards I don't even know that when am I going to upload. Like it should be every 4th day. So yes, I'll try my best to do that. I'll do that obviously, but you know, counting every 4th day is bad, like not the best thing. Yes, if you really like this video, then please share this video. Bye. I am going to show you how the photos of the thumbnail look without being photoshopped. So I think you should know that. So that's why I just am going to include a before and after thing over here. So here you go.